Hey good people, this is a very impromptu random Vlogmas episode, I don't know, 5 or 6. We are doing some very last minute shopping here at Woodbury Commons. We got a late start. We got here, what time we got here? It's like 3 o'clock. They close at 9 though, so we should be good. So we're just gonna see what's here. What are we looking for, Ma? I don't know. Just
Whatever catches the eye.
yeah, whatever catches the eye. We're just looking for, I want to find like maybe a sweater, and I'm really looking for like a cosmetic bag, like a little bag to put like my makeup essentials in to go inside of my tote. So we'll see, and I'll be taking you along with us and showing you some of the deals here at Woodbury Commons.
Boost up the fucking price. Make you think you're getting a sale.
Ma, I'm trying to record for YouTube. You gonna get me flagged.
Turn that off. Why didn't you tell me?
Nighttime has hit and it is cold up here. We freezing. What you got? No, I do not. I want to get me a hot drink from Starbucks. Is this the line?
Yep.
Oh, never mind. I'll go to one on the side of the road. Absolutely not.
Turned around too.
Yeah, no way. I don't want it that bad. Y'all, there is this crazy line outside of... It gotta be look, it's wrapping around. Hold on, look, let me turn y'all around.
They can have mine. I got them at home.
Look. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, I think we found a winner. I am loving this Bottega green sweater. I've had my eye on this sweater for a while. Not in this color, but this is the color that's on sale, so that's the one I'm going to go with. It is very thick. It's very structured. I can wear this with a mini skirt, some jeans. I really like it. And of course, I do like the color. I had originally wanted red, but this one will do. You see it does say Bottega Veneta all around. So I'll do like a full unboxing because the lighting in here is pretty rough. So I'll do that another video. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. And the price is amazing. It was like $2,200. I'm getting it for $375, y'all. My luxury girls, pray for me. I mean, clap for me, because I found a winner. Hey y'all, just getting back in from a very impromptu day of last minute holiday shopping and episode 5 of Vlogmas. We went to Woodbury Commons Premium Outlets. We found a few deals. Like, I got the steal of a lifetime and I cannot wait to go through it with y'all in the next video. But at first I was like, this was a waste of time. And then at the very last minute, the very last store, which was Bottega, found probably like the best deal that I've ever found in all of my years of designer shopping for less. So yeah, I will share that with you in the next video. Let me know if you liked any of the pieces that I shared, and don't forget, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because I really would like to have you here on these journeys with me. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.